Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by observing the exact on-screen error code and message. Write the code down for later reference. Check the decoder's signal meter and note the signal strength percentage. If signal strength is below 50%, that indicates a dish or cable issue. Sign in to the My Dstv app or website to confirm your subscription status. Make sure your account is active and payments are up to date. These initial checks guide whether this is a hardware, signal, or subscription problem. Turn the decoder off at the mains to perform a full power cycle. Wait exactly 30 seconds before restoring mains power and restarting the box. After power down, open the smart card slot and reseat the card. Ensure the gold chip faces down and forward into the reader slot. While the box is off, inspect the coaxial cable, LNB and F connections for splits, corrosion, or loose fittings. Tighten any loose screws and replace visibly damaged cables before powering the decoder back on. Access your decoder settings menu and run a channel retune or software update. Follow on-screen prompts and allow the update to complete fully. If the problem continues, open the My Dstv app or call Dstv support for help. Provide your smart card number, decoder model, and the error code you recorded earlier. Ask support to check your subscription and to perform a signal resend or bouquet reactivation. Wait up to 24 hours for provisioning changes. If unresolved,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.